Hello and welcome to today's Tuesday tutorial. I'm Zane Condren, Senior Video Specialist here at NewTek, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the file capture presets within the new streaming tools in TC1 and NewTek IP series to capture H.264 files. For those of you that are familiar with the recording configuration panel within TriCaster, you will notice that the H.264 option is no longer here. It has been moved to our new streaming engine, which you can find here. And you can find the file capture preset right here. Let's go ahead and create a new preset. This will allow us to name our clip and tell it what directory we want to save the clip into. Once you've added the file capture preset to your streaming configuration panel, you can open the gear icon to adjust the settings. Here we can configure the encoder much more than we've been able to do so in the past. We can have it automatically use our session resolution. We can set it to use a different resolution. We can change what H.264 codec we're using, whether it's baseline, main, or high. You can adjust the bit rate. You can even record at a different frame rate if you would like, as well as adjusting the audio bit rate and telling it whether or not you want to do stereo or quad channel audio. We actually support recording up to 2 channels of H.264, so I'm simply going to add another file capture preset here. And I can even adjust the encoding settings to be different for my second channel of H.264 recording. This is great if you want to use this for distribution or proxy workflows. You can actually set up the source for each of these 2 file captures here in the output configuration panel. It can be any of your mixes. So maybe you want to record a program mix and then a program clean, so you can add additional graphics later. And that gives you lots of flexibility. So when you're using the 2 file capture presets within the new streaming engine, you're still able to stream to any of the other presets that you've created or any of them that are built in. Now that you have the ability to record 2 channels of H.264 in your TC1 or your IP series, it allows you to use H.264 to get your content to video sharing sites much faster than having to transcode it after the fact. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again next week.